Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to PM Academy. Today, dear students, I am going to give a talk on GS paper, only on the basic GS papers. Why the GS paper is important for the civil services exam. Before coming to the topic, my request to you to like my channel, to subscribe my channel and share my the videos to your the friends and colleagues. Now I am coming to topic, GS paper, General Studies paper. When we see the syllabus of the civil services, we will see that in the civil services main exam, 4 GS papers are there. Besides the GS paper, optional paper is there, and you have to take the one optional, that is to be divided 2 papers, paper 1 and 2 of the same optional. Then the essay writing paper and English and language paper, that is only qualifying in the majors. Now here the major paper is so for the main exam is concerned, major is the GS paper. GS paper carries the 1000 marks. Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4. Why I am emphasizing the GS paper, dear students? As long as you don't get the confidence of the GS papers, you will not be able to clear the civil services exam, because only you have the one optional papers. While studying in the colleges, in the undergraduate or the postgraduate level, you might have also become thorough in your the papers, and you need the little bit preparation so far the optional paper is concerned. And while relating to the other things like preparation of the GS papers, a lot of effort is needed for the paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and 4. So each paper is different from the others, and the character, nature and the way of the preparation is different from the others. Paper 1, that is related to history, culture, art, architecture, all these things. Second paper relating politics and the governance. Third paper, economics, science, technology, disaster management, internal security and all these things. And the fourth paper, that is about ethics, integrity. Now, so in these 4 papers, so each is different from the others. While you think to appear for the civil services, you need the very long preparation for the GS papers, because so you are the familiar with your the optional papers. So GS paper is a combination of almost all the things: history, politics, geography, sociology, or you can say science takes, so disaster management and ethics part, like the part of philosophy. So it is a mix of lot of things. So means you have to be the jack of all trades, not like a master of one. You must be knowing almost all the papers, you must have a good knowledge almost all the areas of the study. So in this case, actually what happens, while preparing the GS paper, not only not like the optional paper specific book is there, lot of books are available for the GS papers, and for the preparation of the GS and the making of the foundation very strong for the GS papers, NCERT book is must. Besides the NCERT, you can go for the different magazines like Civil Services Chronicle, like the Mainstream or Socio-Economic Reviews. So lot of things. Beside also Indian Gazette is there, and also you need the reading of the newspapers. And while the reading the newspapers, particularly one newspaper, Indian Express, particularly that comes in the section explained. So in that section you will find current issues, how it is defined very nicely by the authors, writers or the columnist, or you can say by the reporters. So besides these actuals, magazines and the newspapers, generally very popular is the Hindu paper, because Hindu paper is popular only for the articles, and certain articles are also there very systematically written, and it is highly helpful for the IAS students. And also, while you are appearing the main exam in the English, your the English must be good, writing should be very systematic, grammatically must be correct, and all these things also should be taken care of. And while all these things, what I want to tell you, it needs the overnight, it is not possible. You need a long preparations for the last 3 to 4 or the minimum 3 years. For the GS paper, without preparation of the last 3 to 4 years, you can't be the successful in the civil services exam. So GS paper is highly important, must be emphasized, must needs the long preparations. So it is not like the optionals by 1 year you can cover up. So this is how the GS is important for the civil services exam. This is for today. Thank you very much.